Hi, I'm here in my 2020 Hyundai Ioniq Electric, and in this video we're going to show you how to fix this little problem here with having 1/3 of the screen taken up by the Apple CarPlay icon. So the touchscreen system that we're working with today is the 10.2-inch Gen5W Standard infotainment system that's fitted to a lot of Hyundai, Kia and possibly Genesis models. So this doesn't only apply to the Ioniq, it applies to a lot of cars, say the Elantra, Santa Fe, Tucson, and many other cars from the Kia and possibly Genesis ranges as well. So the problem here is that CarPlay only takes up 2/3 of the screen. So in this right-hand drive car, it's in the furthest away section, and it limits the functionality of the maps. The split screen view is quite limited, and although I can bring up some native apps here on the right hand third, I don't really need to see the compass. So how do I fix this? Well, depending on the car that you have, you may have physical buttons or capacitive buttons at the bottom or the sides of your screen. The thing that you want to look for though is the setup button. That takes you to the setup pages. Next up, you go to phone connection. Now, the exact layout of the buttons and the icons might be a little different, so they may not be exactly the same spot as I've shown you here, but you need to go to phone projection settings. Some older versions of the operating system may have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto straight here, but you should probably have to go through phone connection settings. As advised, I will unplug the cable, and now I will click on phone projection settings again. Then I go to Apple CarPlay, and the function that you want to disable is use split screen or CarPlay screen. Now, I want to say 99% of the installed operating systems with the Gen5W Standard infotainment system will have this available. If you don't have this option available, you'll need to upgrade the operating system software on your car, and I'll put a link to a video about how to do that in the top right corner, as well as in the description and comments below. So just tap that and unclick it. So you put in your USB, and then you just wait a second for CarPlay to come up. And there you have it. It now takes up the full screen using all of the real estate available to you. You can click on Maps. Now, I don't have Maps installed on this iPhone that I have, and it has no cell phone connectivity, so it doesn't actually show you where we are. But I can use split screen, it'll be okay. Everything's fantastic now. So there you have it. That's how you re-enable full screen for Apple CarPlay on the Gen5W Standard infotainment system, the 10.2-inch screen on various Hyundai, Kia and possibly Genesis models. So let us know if this worked for you, and if it did, which model car you have, including the model year. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.